Humans have adapted to the most extreme environments on Earth over thousands of generations. And then there's you. Me? And your only adaptation is this pudgy tubby. Let's see how you compare against real superhumans from extreme environments. Number 7. Superhumans of the Deep Sea. First, we're heading to the islands of Southeast Asia. And remember, the deep sea is very dangerous for regular people like you. Let's see how long you last. The moment your face hits the cold water, your diving reflex kicks in. Your heart rate slows by up to 25% to save energy. Your blood vessels constrict, redirecting blood to vital organs, and your spleen acts as a biological scuba tank, pumping extra oxygen-rich blood cells into your bloodstream. But despite all these amazing adaptations, you're dead. 2 minutes. Not bad, but not even close to the superhumans of the sea, the Summer Bajau people, who are the closest we have to Aquaman. They live a hunter-gatherer lifestyle and have been reported to be able to hold their breath underwater for over 10 minutes at a time, spending a total of almost 8 hours a day submerged underwater. They have extremely low body fat, making them negatively buoyant, allowing them to run effortlessly across the seabed to hunt fish. You, on the other hand, are extremely positively buoyant. As you go deeper underwater, pressure increases significantly, and diving deep too quickly can cause your eardrums to tear. Regular divers prevent this by gently blowing through their ears to equalize pressure, but the Summer Bajau say, who needs eardrums? They purposely obliterate their eardrums at a young age, so they basically have no ear pressure problems. Only ear hearing problems. Huh? When you're underwater for too long, carbon dioxide levels in your blood begin to rise. This triggers the body's panic reflex, causing you to take a fresh breath of water. The Summer Bajau, however, have a gene mutation that suppresses this reflex, allowing them to stay calm underwater for longer. Other genetic mutations they have include a gene which provides increased constriction of their blood vessels, and one which gives them a spleen that's 50% larger than regular humans. Anyways, let's get out of here, because we got 6 more superhumans to learn about. Superhumans of the jungle. Welcome to the African rainforest in the Congo Basin, where everything wants to either bite you, sting you, infect you, or eat you. The thick rainforest canopy above blocks most sunlight, making it incredibly easy to get lost. The air is hot and very humid, to the point where your sweat can't even evaporate to cool you down. So instead, you continue to heat up, causing you to sweat some more, heat up, sweat, die of dehydration. But don't worry, the superhumans of the rainforest are here to save the day. Standing at a mighty 4 feet and 11 inches tall, the African pygmies make their small stature their superpower. Being this small allows the pygmies to generate less heat and sweat, reducing the chance of dehydration, while also making it easier to navigate the dense undergrowth. In an environment where food is scarce, a compact body requires less resources to survive. But sometimes the pygmies stumble upon the ultimate jackpot, a beehive filled with delicious honey. But there's a catch. It's 40 meters up a tree. Armed with nothing but an axe and a loop of tree vine, the pygmies fearlessly scale the tree, hacking footholds in as they go. And after battling a bunch of bees, they finally secure the goods. Food, finally. On to the next location. No, wait. Oh yeah, and like the video, it's free. Number 5. Superhumans of the ice. We're zooming all the way out to the Arctic, where the warmest days are 10 degrees Celsius and the coldest days are minus 40 degrees Celsius. When your body temperature drops below 35 degrees Celsius, you start to experience hypothermia. First comes the shivering, and your blood vessels constrict to keep vital organs warm. But this causes your extremities to become too cold, making them freeze and die due to frostbite. At this point, your brain has probably started to fail too, causing confusion, memory loss, and maybe even some fun hallucinations. Some people get so delirious that they actually strip naked, which sure helps them keep warm. That's where the superhumans of the ice come in, the Inuit people. Their short, stocky build minimizes surface area, helping them retain more heat. They also have more blood rushing through their fingers and toes, reducing the chance of frostbite freezing them off. By consuming fatty meat from seals and fish, they build up an insulating layer of fat. But while most people primarily have white fat, the Inuit people have an abundance of brown fat, which is packed with specialized mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, turning them into a human furnace. Because of all these adaptations, the Inuit people can maintain a metabolic rate of up to 200% higher than an average person, meaning they're able to maintain a toasty core temperature without even needing to shiver. But don't worry, the next location will definitely warm you up. Number 4. superhumans of the desert. Now we're on the opposite side of the temperature spectrum, the scorching hot African desert, and you're giving us a lovely demonstration of hyperthermia in action. First comes the heat exhaustion, heavy sweating, rapid breathing, and your pulse racing. Your blood vessels also dilate, trying desperately to dump heat through your skin. But eventually you progress to heat stroke, where you become so dehydrated that you stop sweating entirely. Your organs start to fail, and your brain starts shutting down, leading to confusion, aggression, seizures, and finally, unconsciousness before you die. But these extreme conditions are no problem for the superhumans of the desert.